This is Coach Tanki, and our lesson for today it will be fiber, and fiber ka Sotho re bitsa di-tlheferetsi. So this is our lesson for today, and we also have our coach Katlego, who is going to be sharing with us fiber from the beginning till the end. So the first question is fiber ki eng, Coach Katlego. Can you help us here?
Hello guys, my name is Coach Katlego. Like Coach Tanki Abrile and Kasoto Ribisa Horgi Icheferates. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that plays a key role in normal digestion. So, renally two sebarinki the soluble fibers, the insoluble fibers. So, can it the fiber is a pedite. We talk at 25 grams per day. But they cannot be broken down by the human digestive system. So, they will choose whatever that is not necessary. More maling aruna. Soluble fibers can be found more broccoli, the carrots, apples, and oats. And then the insoluble ones, they can be found in nuts, beans, leafy vegetables, and whole grains. So function of fiber to maintain the normal gastrointestinal functions. So like it cleans the digestive system. So they provide a bulk. They provide a bulk, which means they can reduce our weight loss. If we do like how did Chile, how can you kapile o khalle modijo because tla boetsa tla botletse ya fiela ntse etsa go lwetseng be full. So like thank
you very much, Coach Katlego. So we just heard that the fiber is very, very important, and it will tusa with that name. Ana we taking
a gastrointestinal function.
Oh, gastrointestinal functions.